'cause I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, I hope you're subscribed. Okay. So as you can see by the title, I'm back with another wig review, and this is a completely glueless wig install. This was super easy. This is a straight out of the box install. Everything already came pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Luvme Hair hooked y'all up. So I definitely want to say a super huge thank you to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. So without further ado, if you are liking this wig, if you was liking this look, and you are curious to see how we got this to lay, melt, glueless in literally like a 10-minute install, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm all ready and prepped for the install. I have my wig cap on and we're gonna go ahead and start the install. So this is how you will receive your unit. So in your package, obviously you will get your hair. This is the 5x5 closure wig, and this is their deep curly wig. All of the specs will be down below just in case if I list it off wrong. So this is the unit fresh out of the box, and one thing I was so excited about once I saw this unit is that it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and laid, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So if you're looking for a unit that literally comes ready out the box when you get it to go, you definitely need to check out this wig and Luvme Hair. So this is the inside of the unit. You can see that the lace and the knots are bleached. It comes with a band that's already sewn in, and it is detachable. If you're not interested in it, it's super easy to detach. And of course it has the standard comb in the back, combs on the side for extra security, and also the drawstrings. So that is definitely one thing I always shout out Luvme Hair for, is that when it comes to the wig construction, they are definitely A1. They got you covered, especially if you like to apply your wigs like I do, which is glueless, like as much as possible. So that is the construction. Let me show you guys the lace. Pre-bleached this, they've already pre-plucked it, as you can see, and it's already literally like laid. Like look how flat this is. So they've already laid everything for you. And so I skipped everything and I was like, yes, because this is what I needed. I needed something straight out the box. So love that it's pre-bleached, but just to make sure that it's more of a seamless blend, especially because I am doing this glueless, I am going to go ahead and tint my lace with this is concealer, but it's basically like my shade. Okay guys, so I'm back styling the hair, and the part end up literally just like laying and blended so easily that I was gonna have to, I'm still gonna use this, my little pencil comb, and just use the heat. But this hair is so soft, you guys. It's so soft. And so for the lace, if you guys can see it, it definitely kind of has like a little bit of glare to it. It doesn't look like it in real life as much, but on the camera it's showing. I'm just gonna go back in with that same concealer that I used to tint the lace on the underside and just go over it in the very front. And basically whatever foundation is the closest to your skin tone that you have, you're just gonna go over the lace right where it meets your skin. And you can even like go in here where your part is. But this is what the finished product is looking like. This is the back of the hair. This is where it comes down to. I feel like I have to trim that little piece that I like feel right here. Then the rest of the hair, we're just gonna trim that up so you can't see it too much. This is what the curl pattern looks like. It's so lightweight. Like it's not like heavy on your head or anything like that. I do love the curl pattern. I could definitely tell this is gonna be like a pretty easy wig to maintain when it comes to like detangling and stuff like that, because it's not a super tight curl pattern. Lace coming pre-bleach and semi like plucked beforehand definitely made this install so much easier. If you are a beginner, you are not gonna have too much of an issue installing this. I think I want to mold this back a little bit more. This is so cute. And again, this is completely glueless. Okay guys, so that's it for this install. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.